Democracy Comprehension Check. Answer the following questions after reading the station. Write your first name in the box here. You will then write your last name in the box here. You will then select your class cycle number. Number 1. When did the people of Athens try governing themselves? 500 BC, 1776 AD, or 500 AD? Number 2. What is a democracy? Few citizens share in the ruling power, all citizens share in the ruling power, or one citizen shares in the ruling power. Number 3. How is ancient Greek democracy different from U.S. democracy? Athens had a representative democracy, while U.S. has a direct democracy. Athens had a direct democracy, U.S. has a representative democracy. Or Athens had a democracy run by a king, U.S. has a monarch democracy. Number 4. What is a direct democracy? One citizen can vote on one issue, every citizen can vote on every issue, or citizens cannot vote. Number 5. What is a representative democracy? People vote for other people, called representatives, who decide the issues in their names. People vote for other people, called monarchs, who decide the issues in their names. Or people vote, called tyrants.